Offered for sale is a 2023 Ford E-450 Cutaway 16-foot box truck, equipped with an AM Haire Manufacturing aluminum parcel body, a dependable delivery vehicle designed for logistics operations, commercial freight transport, and last-mile distribution services. This Class 3 medium-duty truck is powered by Ford's robust 7.3L Godzilla V8 gasoline engine, producing 300 horsepower and paired with a Ford 6-speed automatic transmission and 4x2 drivetrain. The naturally aspirated 8-cylinder engine operates on gasoline and is supported by a 40-gallon fuel tank. The truck rides on Ford spring suspension with hydraulic brakes and utilizes a single rear axle configuration. It carries a 14,000-pound GVWR, supported by a 4,400-pound front axle rating and a 9,600-pound rear axle rating, along with a 176-inch wheelbase and steel wheels. The cargo body is a 16-foot AM Haire aluminum dry box, model TR1685C, measuring approximately 85 inches in height and 96 inches in width. The cargo area features aluminum exterior construction with plywood interior lining, a durable wood cargo floor, and one row of aluminum E-track for cargo securement. The box is equipped with a roll-up rear door and step bumper configuration to facilitate easy loading and unloading. The cargo body is not insulated and does not include a side access door. Finished in white with a gray regular cab interior, the truck includes air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. Additional convenience and safety equipment includes a rear-view camera and step bumper for improved maneuverability and cargo access. Notes indicate the vehicle is a one-owner unit that has been fleet maintained and comes with a clean Carfax history, making it a dependable and ready-to-work delivery truck.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.